If you want to be overall less broke and be empowered to take control of your money and actually hit financial goals, let me put you on game. A good budget is the answer, and don't scroll, hear me out. Let me give you some proof. I have two students here. The first one, in a little bit over a month, was able to save their first $1,000 that they've ever saved, pay off 4 of their 6 debts. Student number 2 was living paycheck to paycheck, but is not anymore. They were able to save their first emergency fund, and they are finally paying down their debt when they did not think that was possible 6 months ago. This is possible because of having a good budget. So what is a good budget? I feel like there is a misconception in the budgeting community that you have to totally cut out everything you love and you have to take it to the bare bones minimum in order to meet your goals, and that is just not true. A good budget allows you to include your spending habits in your budget and is not overly restrictive. This means learning where your money is going and where you are spending every month without budgeting. So go through a past bank statement and look at where your money's been going. If you have spent $500 in the last month on eating out, for instance, that means that is important to you and that is one of your habits. You need to include money in your budget for eating out. If you don't, you will feel restricted and you will be way more likely to blow your budget. That's why it's very important to include things that you like in your habits in your budget so that it is way easier to stick to. You don't feel like you're being restricted. Another important factor is that it has goals in mind. If you do not have an emergency fund, that is your first goal, and your budget should lead you closer to that goal. If you've already saved a little bit of money and you want to be on your debt payoff journey, that is also a goal. So you can budget in a way that leads you towards your debt payoff. Another factor is that it makes your life easier. If you have a good budget in place, it really does make everything easier. If you have a good account structure in place for your budget, meaning you have maybe one account for spending and then you have another checking account for bills, that means when you get your paycheck, you can divert money where it needs to go. So you have spending money over here, you send your bill money to your account, and it makes your life way easier because your money is separated and you can spend without worrying about your bills. And spoiler alert, this is not one of those things that you can get instant gratification, okay? It takes time and effort to make this work for you in the best way possible. What I mean by that is if you sit down and you learned your spending habits, you set up a good account structure for yourself, and you learn what you can and can't do with your money, you take the time to figure out what works for your lifestyle, it's going to make things exponentially easier for you if you do that work up front and figure these things out. Figuring them out means that it's going to take a little trial and error. It's going to take time. Okay, so if you put a budget in place for yourself, you need to stick to that budget for at least a month and see how did that go? What do I need to tweak? What did I like? What did I not like? Once you get that part out of the way, which is like the longest part, is learning what works and what doesn't, it makes everything way faster, way easier. For example, when I am paid, it takes me about 5 minutes to do my budget. That's because I've been working on it and I know exactly what works for me, exactly where my money needs to go and how much of it needs to go where, because I've dialed these things in. So I spend a max of like 10 minutes a month on my finances. I've also set up automations for myself at this point to where I don't even have to do some things anymore. Some money automatically goes places without me having to tell it where to go. You can set yourself up for success if you do these things. Another important note, any income level needs to be budgeting. It doesn't matter if you make $5,000 per month or $50,000 per month. You need a budget. If you are on the lower income level, it is even more important that you budget because you need to learn how to manage your money now before more money starts coming in. And if you do not, you will blow that money when you get extra money. You need to have systems. You need to know where you want your money to go. You need to have goals in mind. So for the people who say no amount of budgeting is going to help my situation, respectfully, I disagree. And that's because I've seen proof of it, not just in my own life, but in my students' lives as well. This stuff works if you sit down and work it. You got this, friend.